Hi everyone, in this video, I will teach you from basic to advanced level embeds. We will use DiscohooK and make a cute cafe embed, Luffy from One Piece, blue aesthetic embeds, Scaramouche from Genshin, and Nezuko. So don't skip this video. Now, let's get started. Go to your Discord server settings first, click Integrations. We will create a simple webhook there. Now click Webhook, which is at the top. I had already made this one back in 2023 when I made a tutorial video on DiscohooK, but we will make a new one regardless. Simply write a cute name, select a channel, and add a PFP. Now, by the way, this is not a permanent thing. You can change the name, channel, and PFP if you want in the future. One tip, keep this browser tab open and duplicate your tab. As you can see, I already have 3 Discord tabs opened. Now, this is DiscohooK. Click Clear All button. It will clear all the unnecessary clutter, so you can work now. Don't get overwhelmed. The first option is content. Whatever you do here, you will see the preview on the right-hand side of the page. To send that message to your Discord server, you gotta go back to the integration page and copy the URL of your webhook. This is why I asked you to keep the tab open. Now just paste it in the webhook URL section and click Send. The webhook will send the message in that particular channel that you've picked in the integration. Now, this is somewhat a basic of how the webhooks work. There are many things that you can do, like sending your server emoji. Type / and send an emoji. It will change into a code. Now copy that code and paste it into the content. This is how you send your server emojis. Now I will teach you how to mention a member. Type @ and copy the user ID. Now, a pro tip. Don't close the bracket just yet, otherwise, it will mention the member instead of code. Paste that thing here, and then close the bracket, and click Send button. In Discord, the webhook has pinged the member. Now I will teach you how to mention channel. It is the same, just replace it with hashtag and copy-paste the channel ID. Now we will mention a role. You need a role ID for this. Grab that, and then type @ and copy-paste the role ID. There we have it, our role is also mentioned. This can be done in Embed too. Click Add Embed, then Embed 1. You will find many options, click Body. Just do the same thing we did in the content and click Send. Now you can see it in Embed form instead of message form. Now you can elevate it by adding a title too. Let's add some color. And this is even a better level of embed. But you can make this even better by adding a divider. And as you can see, this is even a better level of embed than before. You can elevate this even more by adding a thumbnail to your embed. So yeah, congratulations, you've learned the basics of DiscohooK. Now I will teach you how someone with intermediate knowledge would do the embed. Let's say someone wanna do server rule. They will copy a pre-made rule and paste it here. Also, write a cute title. And then add embed color, image URL, and thumbnail URL, and click Send. And yes, this is what most servers will do. Someone with some more knowledge can elevate the emojis by using backtick symbols on both ends of the emojis. This will give the emojis a completely new look and make your embed have more contrast. Now compare both embeds. The second one looks even better. But we are not here for these average embeds. We are here for more advanced versions. I will teach you how to make this one. All the resources will be in my server. Let's get started. The thing about this embed is you need to be very fast and keep things ready. I will tell you why in a moment. First step, grab the image link and paste it in embed section of DiscohooK. This is kind of like a banner for our embed. Yes, only the GIF will appear. Now just send it. Now we have the first part. Second part is to send the rose GIF. There we have it. The third layer is add message or content webhook. But for this one, you need to use / for server emoji. Pro tip, when you're doing content, remove embed first. Otherwise, both will be sent. You just want one thing to be sent at a time. Now the fourth layout, we will add a paragraph. But before that, we need to mention the person's name. So use a user ID and a server emoji too with /. Pro tip, when you're doing content, remove embed first. Otherwise, both will be sent. You just want one thing to be sent at a time. Now the fourth layout. We will add a paragraph. But before that, we need to mention the person's name. So use a user ID and a server emoji too with \. Now remember, we keep switching between normal message and embed. This is normal message. And there we have it, our embed is ready. Now the problem is, it looks better when it's all in one message. That's why you have to do this one fast. I will do it again off camera and show you what I mean. Now look at this. It looks great when it's in one single message. Anyway, to make embeds like this, you don't even need to lift a finger. Just join my Discord server and go to Pixie's decors. You will find all the decors and layouts there. I have added everything there. These embeds have been created by me, and they're totally free to use. We have Nezuko theme, Cafe theme, Luffy from One Piece theme, Scaramouche from Genshin, and this aesthetic blue theme. Let me know what's your favorite theme in the comments. And if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button. And consider joining my main server for server decors and layouts, and also to make friends.